Welcome to this quick tutorial on searching for secondary sources such as legal articles and reviews within Nexis Uni. To access Nexis Uni, select the link for the A to Z databases on the toolbar. Next, select the letter N and click on Nexis Uni. To start, let's narrow down to law reviews and journals. To do this, click on the drop-down menu titled All Nexis Uni. From here, select Law Reviews and Journals. Once selected, type your keywords into the search bar and click Search. Upon viewing the results, you have the option to narrow them down with limiters. To the left of my result list, there is a section called Narrow By. From here, I can conduct a search within, narrow down by category, jurisdiction, source, practice areas and topics, publishing attorney, law firm, or judge. For today's example, I'm going to narrow down by category and practice area. If I wanted to narrow down further, I could select another limiter to the left. The result list is organized by relevance. You have the option to change the order to sort by title, content, jurisdiction, or date. Each record indicates the article title, category, jurisdiction, publication date, author, the author's law school or law firm, and the journal publication information. Underneath this information is a preview of the article where our keywords appear within the full text. Clicking on Preview to the left will provide a preview of the full text of the document. Clicking on the article title will take us directly into the full text of the article. From here, you can export the citation, print, email, download, or save the article to Google Drive. You can also view the printer-friendly version of the article. Finally, you have the option of viewing every instance of your keywords or searching within the document. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to catch our complete Nexis Uni series.